US Janitorial Services News, Insight and Development. Cheers to the new year, looking back at the top 2022 moments in US Janitorial Services. Wherever people gather to work, study, heal, and have fun, we build experiences that matter. Years of experience and a commitment to excellence. Over the past few decades, facilities have undergone significant change, but our capacity to overcome additional challenges has only grown stronger. We now offer thorough facilities services encompassing around 100 million square feet of space in numerous sectors and industries. Defending your environments to free up your attention on operations. We develop a package of services that are specifically designed to meet your top priorities. Meeting your company objectives, whether they involve simple technical problems or routine operational support. We adjust to meet your demands as they develop through time and evolve. We are your go-to partner for cutting-edge business solutions and your trusted consultant. Our development in 2022. Innovative and sustainable approaches created to manage your budget and resources efficiently. Programs that are efficient and effective and guarantee the delivery of high-quality solutions. Services that are specifically designed to make your settings secure and interesting. Proven techniques to avoid the unnecessary and be ready for the unexpected. Relationships with service providers that respond to and adapt to your changing demands. Empowered to provide services of a greater quality. We provide our staff the freedom and authority they need to deliver the superior service you've always desired. Dispatch model for every building portfolio, get standardized service across networks, simplified invoicing, proactive maintenance, vetted service providers, risk mitigation, and insurance coverage. Technical proficiency. The areas of expertise of our centralized professionals include management, facility upkeep, customer and workplace experience, grounds and landscaping, janitorial, pest control, and much more. Technology. We introduce innovations that improve service delivery and customer service experiences across our company through ongoing innovation and partnerships with leaders in the industry. Calling center for scheduling and arranging work. A dedicated 24/7 365 service center offers a streamlined customer request and support process. Coordinated management. By working with us, you may preserve operating efficiencies and cost savings thanks to our affiliate network's strong and consistent service delivery. 2023 Outlook. See what your building can benefit from our facility services. Let us provide your company with our knowledge and specialized solutions. US Janitorial, providing premier commercial cleaning services. Visit us at usjservices.com. Or give us a call at 1-800-210-6069 to learn more or to schedule an appointment. We will be more than happy to assist you.